Organize like a pro. Top file cabinets to tidy paperwork and streamline your workspace. First, NuSparc pre-assembled construction space-saving letter size, $150. This pre-assembled letter size vertical cabinet is ready out of the box and built to save floor space. Durable and compact, it's perfect for home offices that need immediate filing without the hassle. If speed and efficiency matter, this is the go-to pick. Second, Letaya vertical lockable organizer assembled, $130. A 3-drawer vertical organizer that's lockable and fully assembled, offering secure storage for sensitive documents. Great for small businesses and home offices where security and quick access matter. A practical, neat solution to keep files under lock and organized. Third, VASAGLE 2-drawer cabinet letter size UOFC 040B16, $110. A compact 2-drawer letter hanging cabinet designed for basic filing needs. It works well under desks or in corners, keeping current projects within arm's reach. If you want something simple and unobtrusive that still holds standard files, this is a solid choice. Fourth, Aobabo wheels lockable assembly required, $140. A mobile, lockable file cabinet that needs assembly but rewards you with portability and secure drawers. The wheels mean you can move it between rooms, and the lock keeps content safe. Ideal for dynamic workspaces that shift layouts often. GYIIYUO cabinet extended desktop rolling, $160. A rolling extended top file cabinet designed to slide under or next to desks while providing extra top surface for devices. Durable and mobile, it's perfect for modern work setups that need flexible storage and a little extra desktop area.